Hey Limo Squad, today our video is a bit different. I'm going to be trying to make a fidget holder out of these magnets. As you see, I've assorted them into cool colors and warm colors. So, let's get to it. So let's see. First, I feel like I will start making a platform. So I should probably, yeah, that looks good. Now, I'm gonna have to, sorry, I just had to adjust. Whoa, that's bendy. Whoa. Uh-oh. Yeah, I guess you should probably just turn them into corner pieces. So if you guys try to do this at home, just make sure that you turn them into corner pieces before connecting them. Now we have one half. Now time for the cool color half. Oh, and if you guys see this right here, this is just a standing, like for standing up my device that I am filming on. So, as I said, this might be a bit of a tedious process because look, I have this, but this side I wouldn't say is fully finished, but I should probably connect those two. Now let me get our roof area. So I'm going to use these as the roof. So I will just start. Should I do warm colors on the warm side or warm colors on the cool side? I'm feeling like I should do on the warm side. So what you want to do if you're doing this at home, you probably would want to make corners like this. This will probably be your best bet. So right now I have it like that. Now time for cool colors. And the cool colors I do enjoy. I do enjoy some cool colors. And I will have that go right there with them. And then I will also put that there and there. Well, there you have it. It's this for now. And I will film another video if I get some more magnets and I will do an update. But for now, bye.